Now it's the time to make a nice little quiz app where we see a question, possible answers, and choose the right one. So, which variable name is valid? I will choose A, which is correct. Which symbol is used for greater than? That is B. Fine. Which character is used at the end of if statement? Let's say I choose B. That is wrong. And here comes my score, which is 2 out of 3. Perfect. Now let's jump to the editor and start building it. Here I have created a list of different questions. Each question is encapsulated in a dictionary where we have a question, option A, option B, and the correct option. To keep it simple, I have just wrote down 3 questions. You can add more. So we have a list of dictionaries named quiz. Next, create a variable to hold the user score. Initially, it will be 0. Now we need to iterate on the quiz list and take the dictionaries one by one. So we will use for loop. So for q, for q in quiz, this q will be holding these dictionaries one after the other. So down here, first we will print the question. So print question of q, print question of the dictionary. Next, show options A and B of the question. In case of this dictionary, A will be colon and B will be semicolon. Before the values, let's add labels like this. Let's do the same for option B. So, showing question and the two options are done. Next, we will ask the user to type A or B. Input A or B, and we will hold the user input in ans variable. Let's add lower method here. So if user types capital A or B, that will be converted to small letter. Alright. Now we need to check whether the answer is correct, and this correct key of the dictionary tells the correct option. So if ans equals correct option of the dictionary. So if user given ans equals the correct option of dictionary, print correct and also increment the user score by 1. So score equals score plus 1. Else print wrong. That's all we need to do in for loop. Now outside the loop, let's print the result. We will use formatted string score, and that will be scored by len of quiz. So user score by total number of questions. With that we are done. Now it's the time to test our application. Okay, so here is the question. Two options. Let's say I give B, wrong. Next question, I will give B, correct, A. And here comes my score, which is 2 out of 3. That's all, my friend. Now please go ahead and make your own quiz app on any subject you like. And I just gave 2 options here. You can have more options for each question. Please go ahead and practice this.